We've been gathering rocks because we have a dam over there that we've been working on. And we had a fire. Jesse didn't let it go out on us, did it? And this waterproof, not all. But for little waterproof, we like to put it in places for water while leaking and then it stops the leak. Yeah, and you can take clay like this when you have something flat, like right here, it just like kind of sticks to it better.
Yeah?
And then put ground in there. Yeah, that's a good spot.
Mommy's so proud of y'all. This is so neat.
That was bad, really. Oh, and so this chance we used to have branches coming off. Cut a lot off. There's a branch here, here, and then that there, and as you see there's a lot of briars. Right there used to be the hugest briar patch ever.
Y'all have done a lot of work.
Daddy!
Mommy's proud of y'all.
I can do that and get stuck. So excited. Daddy, look at the dam we built.
Oh, nice.
I'm going to show you how deep this one is.
Yeah.
I want to show you too. I like deep.
Aren't our kids creative?
They are. Yeah, that wasn't that deep before, was it?
No. It was deep there though. So there's one spot that
Yeah, but it's that much higher. It's as high as what y'all got built.
was
Higher.
barely able to get over the water.
Is that cold?
Very. Look. This is
Yeah.
like the deepest part. Look, see, it goes
They did have a fire going so they could get in and then go warm up.
Yeah.
it's higher than my knees.
That's peaceful.
Nana, could we sneak down
Yeah.
here like a hammock?
Well, not now. It's supposed to storm tonight.
Oh no! Oh no! Everybody!
What y'all gotta do? I don't know how thick it. You make it thicker so
I
it
know,
can.
that's what I've been telling, but they just try to get taller.
Yeah, you gotta get thick so it has some strength.
Jesse! Help me! We built this dam a couple weeks ago, but we got a really strong 5-day flooding drain, so we pushed it down. The boys kind of built it up here a little bit. But the dam originally was like right here. I'm going to show you our crawdad minnow trap. Right now we've got 2 minnows in there, if you can see them. Put them in the water. But, cut this. Okay, so what you do is you just cut the top of the jug like this, cut it off, flip it over, and there you have it. You got a minnow trap. I don't have any wire on here right now, but you usually want to take like string or wire or zip tie and put it here, and you make little holes like you got one in there because we took it off. And then it's handy if you have this, like just put a rope or zip tie there. Flip it open, and you can get your fish. Okay, so the way the minnows are going in there. This, I don't even think they're after the apple we put in here. I think they're just thinking it's a tunnel through the rocks, but it isn't. But it's not really working for this minnow fish because they just go in. But they're not fish, they are not going to go out the way they came in. So even if they're smaller, they're not going to come back out of this thing. But with bigger fish, they might, but they most likely won't. So their fin's going to get pushed down because this is a slant. So they get pushed down, and then they go for those things. But when they try to get out, it doesn't have the slant, and they just hit that, and it hurts, and they can't get back. So, and you want to have, like, we have a piece of wire here, and you can have it where the fish can come out, and you can grab the fish. Or right here, you can put this open. You're just gonna make sure this is good in there too. But you can catch crawdads. We caught 4 crawdads in here at once with just putting a potato in there and throwing it, and that's part of the risk. So, all you have to do you want to put sometimes like put rocks in there and things, and that'll help it. Okay, so we caught some sucker fish in here. Here's a big one. Look how big those thorns are on their head. They look like they're sucking. But we're gonna release these, but because we're gonna reset this trap. We're gonna reset these and see if we can't catch them. Okay, I'm gonna release them. Okay, guys?
Wait, no. Wait. Look at his baby milk. Hey, don't here.
Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to see more of them.